Welcome back to another video. I don't know what this is gonna go into, but as you can see, the Z is right here without a bumper, currently under the knife. I'm with my boy Heliarch Hustler. Follow him on Instagram. I'll put his link down below or somewhere down here. Came for an exhaust, leaving with more than an exhaust. Shout out to the man, coolest man you'll see. Custom fab, cages, whatever you need, hit him up. I'll update y'all when everything's done. Let me show you guys around the shop real quick. It ain't nothing big. We have Ted welding over there. This is one of the projects he's working on. LS Swap 350Z, full cage, fuel cell, race car shit. It's beautiful work, man. Prides himself on his welds. Get you somebody that will do this. No one else will use material and put in as much time and effort into the work. Hit him up, man. Truly talented. Temporary exhaust is all welded. Is that a foamy dog? Onto the bash bar. Y'all see the new addition. Insert shake. Fire. Y'all see the sauce? The drip. Bro, if y'all need this bar or a customer for your own car, hit up my boy Ted at Heliarch Hustler. Best in the welding game, no cap. He just ships these around the United States. If you're local to SoCal, come pick it up. Or even if you're not and you want to drive out here, come pick it up. Fire. Bro, it's all drip. Look at the little beast. Little baby Zilla. Jeez. Fire. Name something that looks harder than that. I'll wait. Top of the morning, peoples. We are here continuing the video from yesterday when I went to go get the bash bar. Here's the Z in the shop. So basically what I got on the agenda today is a harness bar. Harnesses. I know I don't got seats yet, but those are on the way. They're just taking forever. Probably gonna be painting the harness, the front bash bar black, because it needs it. But yeah, it's a little unboxing / install. Hopefully you guys can see me. Yeah, I know I just woke up. Probably could tell. Shout out to all 20 subs. I appreciate y'all. And if you're watching and you don't sub, it's kind of fake, but it's cool. Oh, now I forgot to say this harness bar is from Braum. It's only temporary though, because my guy Ted at hashtag Heliarch Hustler is gonna cage the whip. But till then I needed something temporary, because I'm not gonna be running buckets with no harnesses. So keep in mind, all this is temporary. If any of this interests you, you may want to buy it later. Subscribe so you know when I sell it. Went with like a black finish. Real quick, I also went with Tanaka harnesses to knock off. But it's okay, we'll upgrade once we get the cage. All this is temporary, like I said. I can't stress this enough. Little keyboard warriors about to go crazy in this one. Hey, stickers. We love stickers. Yeah. As you can tell, as a little kid, I sucked at opening presents. It's like the opposite of ASMR, bro. Brahms packaging, A1. So they gave me no bolts to attach this. So in theory, this is what it's supposed to look like inside the car. I'm gonna be buzzing. So this is Brahms quality. Bars you honestly light for a harness bar, but it's okay because cage coming this summer. I don't know if y'all really seen the interior, but this is what we got going on. Little carbon fiber in here. Nice little simple and clean setup. I've always said less is more. Harness ball should be sitting in here. Don't mind my car, it's kind of a mess. Got a flat. Quick little update. Got the harness bar in. We're not gonna be using stock seat belts, so took those off. Clean little cuts, make it look OEM. Excuse the mess in here. We're working on it. Little interior makeover coming soon. That bash bar bussin'. I update y'all. I didn't end up painting no bash bar because I'm gonna get the rear one, so I'm just gonna get both of them done at the same time. But I did paint the OEM strut bar that came with the car and the intake. Cool little 10-minute paint job. Nothing big. Headlights are off for a reason that's coming soon. As for right now, y'all saw the harness bar. Wasn't planning on doing the harnesses, but I just did them. Before all you keyboard warriors go crazy, yes, I know you're not supposed to run them with stock seats. I don't plan on to. The buckets are on their way. For you asking, this is the 5-point, so they are safe. And this car is not daily driven, so probably will be parked till the buckets come. Probably will be parked till the buckets come in. But yeah, it's a little setup we got going on. Little interior shot. Songs.